received feedback about your communication at work, this episode is for you. In my day-to-day work, assisting people to fine-tune their communication agility, I encounter many people who tell me all sorts of things that they've been told about their communication and their communication weaknesses. So today I'll share a few tips that you can start applying if you ever receive negative or even constructive feedback about your communication at work, because it will most certainly impact on your career success. Our first tip is to consider who the feedback came from. When someone makes a comment about your communication, please consider how valid their opinion is. Not all people have insight into the tools for effective communication. They may have your best interests at heart in providing the feedback, but chances are they're not across the research around corporate communication strategies. Therefore, it's very essential that you validate the feedback and seek objective information. So next time, if someone tells you you need to work on your communication, you must be able to clarify precisely what it is that you need to work on. It's common to feel uncomfortable when you receive feedback about your speaking because you're using your communication to express who you are. So please remember, strength lies in differences. There's a massive array of acceptably diverse communication in the corporate sector. In fact, homogeneous workplaces tend to lack innovation and engagement. So with this in mind, if you're receiving any form of feedback about your communication that disregards the benefits of diversity, you need to consider getting input from elsewhere. Please disregard comments that show lack of diversity, such as comments around your expressiveness and authenticity, comments around your temperament, and specifically, comments around your cultural or ethnic background or even your accent. This is an equity and diversity issue that is never acceptable. Take a moment now to think about the feedback you've received about your speaking at work. Did it burn? Is it still valid? Make sure you're not holding on to any feedback that's impacting on your confidence without putting strategies in place. Chances are, you might have also acquired the new skills already, so consider how far your skills are progressing from feedback of the past. Unsure about your communication skills and how they're progressing for your career? On the Voice Science channel, which is right here, we're here for your communication. So if you want to grow in this area, make sure you subscribe. And why not give this video a thumbs up while you're at it? Nothing makes me happier than seeing my global clients thrive from science-based strategies customized to their personal career needs in one-on-one sessions. So if you want to work with me personally, stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll show you how. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this episode has helped you to evaluate any feedback you've received in the past about your communication at work. See you next time. Ciao.